The first 3 minutes of the video got corrupted, so that's why it's not the start. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and that's all. Anyone up there?
There's something spinning up there.
Yeah, it's probably a fan from the wind. There was some electricity on when I came here yesterday. There was a proper normal fan spinning. It was really weird. So
Yeah, I'd say not there.
yeah, I'm gonna just survey it with the phone, and then I'm gonna come back down. Hey, shit, you're right. There is something spinning. Creepy place, huh?
Cool. Got my picture.
Yeah, I've got my video. Hey, do you want to go up that ladder? Come here. Do you want to go up this ladder? What do you mean? No, there's no one in there. Fucking there's not. Anyway, I saw a basement here, which I didn't go down because you know. So let me see. Is it a basement or is it just under the floor? It might honestly just be under the floor, but I can't tell. Come look at this. Do you think this is a basement or just under the floor? Should have brought my pen and ripped my TikTok. No, do you want to go to the basement?
There's a fucking...
It's either a basement or it's under the floor, and I'm not sure which.
They've cleared this out.
Yeah. It's cool though, isn't it? I'm glad I came here yesterday. It's a really cool place. There. Here. I know it's under the floor, but yo, ladies first. You want to go down? Me too. This place is creepy as fuck. Yo, ladies first. You want to go down? Yo, I might go over the other side and go down if there's an entrance. Is there an entrance down there? Looks like it. Not sure though. Shall I go down?
No.
No, I might break my leg. I'll go down the other way.
The fact I know my mum's here is concerning.
Wait, what?
Yeah, my mum knows I'm here.
Your mum knows you're here. Your mum's not here.
No.
I think, fuck, I thought you meant your mum was here, and I'm like, what the hell? Ooh, fuck. See that? I just fucking jumped out my fucking mind.
I forgot I can do this.
Yo, what's this? Well, somebody's locked that for a reason. Oh yeah, there's just a boarded up door over there somewhere.
Is there?
Yeah. I don't know why it's boarded up.
Right, I've got my picture.
I'm not going to find out. Oh, I haven't got my video yet. Here, follow me. This is what I want to climb. Look. Come look at this.
I'm taking a video.
There's a ladder going up to this.
Yeah, my mate went up there. I would not trust it.
I know, I didn't trust it, but I kind of still want to try it, you know? Yeah, 1 minute. I'm going to try and go up the ladder. Give me 1 minute. If I hear it breaking, I'll just come back down, you know? I know, I'm not stupid enough to climb it and then keep going if it starts snapping. So if I hear a snap, I'm just going to come back down. Them stairs out. Yo, there's a switch. The lights don't work. Who knew? The hell is this? Meat grinder? What? Ooh. Yo, there's a chicken grinder here.
I just heard a beep.
Oh yeah, I know. There's loads of beeps. It's really weird.
What, round here?
Yeah. I think they're cameras or something. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. There's probably no cameras in here anyway. I'm kidding. Over where? Yo, I want to climb onto the roof. I will not lie.
Asbestos tiling.
Nah, not that. All of that is, but no, that's metal.
Is it?
I think so, looks it, I'm not sure. Could be, maybe it's asbestos, I'm not sure.
This week is 100%
Well, we're urban explorers, you're going to run into asbestos, eh?
Yeah, trust.
We've already been in a place full of asbestos. This place is prime squad, like jump out at you material. Yo, look, there's a switch.
Maybe that's why it's got walls and switches.
Just a bomb.
Loads of switches.
Yeah, there is. I'm gonna guess each of these had light in there at one point, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, this one's almost fully intact.
Really?
Look.
Wow, and the room's near enough intact.
Is it?
Yeah. it's
Well,
just
except
got
for the
a-
roof.
Yeah, well, yeah. If I had the money, I'd definitely buy this place.
Yo.
Good.
Before we go, I might actually go up the stairs. I doubt there's no one here, you know?
Before we go,
Yeah.
bro, we need to go in that house.
Well, obviously we're not gonna go yet. I'm saying like before we go, like after, you know? Like at the end of the end of the exploration, I might go up the stairs, have a look around.
Yeah.
If a squatter jumps out at me and hits me in the head with a baseball bat, I guess I'm dead. And then I want you to run, right?
We got a pole.
But if you get hit in the head with a baseball bat, I'll help you. Because you can't fight.
No, fucking God.
Yo, you know where I really want to go, and I have no idea how to get up there? Is if you look over there, that like, not up there, where is it? Like there's a window. There, up there. The window up there.
Oh yeah.
How the fuck do you get up there?
That's the silo.
No, not the silo, that one, next to it.
Oh, that tall thing.
Yeah, how do you get up there? You know, I might, because it didn't come off then, I might genuinely risk it and just go straight up to the top of the silo. I mean, it seems safe-ish.
Yeah.
Ish.
My mate went up there and he nearly broke his leg.
Yeah, but did it come off the ladder?
Nearly.
But it didn't. Wait, how did he almost break his leg though? How did he fall off a fucking silo? There's a massive wooden platform there.
It was in the snow.
Why did he go up at a little slippy
Oh, that
ears?
is-
Like, should I sit in it? It's probably from over there. You know, the other place. Could also be one of the houses.
Yeah.
One of the houses have a dog over there.
No. Do you reckon the
Maybe. Get a free wheelchair that you can get for the NHS for free anyway. How stable is this, do you think?
Not very.
Yo, that's mad stable. I will not lie.
Is that actually stable?
That's mad stable. Feel that.
Should I jump the gap?
No, don't jump down. Let's see. Nah. I want to go to the other place. You know, the stairs we saw. I want to go up there. I know that sounds dangerous, but I know, it's fine. By the time the police come, we'll be gone. Even if the police do get here, right? And we have this massive place, they're fucking police. Most of the police are fat asses now. We could probably just hide.
Have a conversation with them. Not do anything.
No, I'd just hide. Because then, yeah, but if they don't know you, it's just better.
You know, technically it's not illegal.
Well, yeah, I know, but still. What would you give though? Like fucking Edward Smith?
No, man. I have the most iconic mix.
Yeah, let's go.
What?
We're going up there.
Fuck off. Being serious.
No, I'm being fully serious. I want to explore it before we go. You coming? Yo, I don't want to explore this alone. You're coming with me, bro.
You don't turn the flashlight.
Yo, this place is creepy. It's cool though.
Watch me put your feet.
I know. Yo. Oh shit, 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 shit.
What?
Floorboard. Floorboard almost came off.
Don't step there.
Is that on bad? Yeah.
That's all rotten. That's all rotten.
It's rotten this way. Is this way alright? Oh shit, 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 shit. Step there. Step right there where that is.
But that is?
Yeah, it's so flimsy.
Oh, fuck.
It's so fucking flimsy.
Yeah, let's just get it down.
Cool though. Because these stairs were the most flimsy thing I've ever think.
Stairs, bro.
Sounds like my nan's house.
Oh my god, it sounds like this.
Yeah.
Should we go?
In a minute.
I really don't. I don't want to explore that house.
I know.
But. Because I'm not 100% sure if someone lives there or not. Because the inside looks too clean for it to
I
be
agree.
abandoned.
But another thing, before we go, I'm going to quickly go around the back. I'm going to explore the basement bit. Because, well, I want to have a look around the entire property. Because I don't want to be a pussy anymore. I'll cut through the back way this way if I can. Can you cut through the back?
Just so I don't get caught.
Ah, fuck. Can you cut through the back this way? Is there even anywhere to cut through? I could drop down, I suppose, but fuck. There's one into that, fuck. Huh? Who knows? There's an abandoned warehouse nearby.
Warehouse?
Yeah. It's like 20 minutes away. It's near the canal.
Okay.
We could go there after.
Are you sure it's abandoned?
Apparently, that's what someone said on the new Abbondond site I downloaded.
What, Hayes Explore?
Hayes Explorer.
Yeah, I don't know, it could be Abbondond.
Could be. You might as well check it out, we're already here.
What time is it?
It is fucking 2:25.
Yeah, fuck it, we'll go down there.
Yeah. I need to figure out how to get around the back of the building first. Because, you know what, actually, I just realised. I haven't been around the back of the building yet.
Yeah, we have.
No, I haven't, though. We haven't been around that way.
Yeah.
Nah, we went around that way. We haven't been around that way yet.
Oh.
There's an entrance to the basement from that way.
Is there?
Yeah, apparently, I saw it when I looked down.
Oh, this is sick. Come here.
Right, just the train. Look, train line. Here, look, there's the basement. Basement time. Never mind, I'm gonna have to go in the back. Some bad news. I'm gonna have to go down the hole. You have to go down the hole.